Hello, welcome to Ludic Science. Today I will show you how to make an stroboscopic light using an LED and the effects on a rotating object. In order to turn the LED on and off, I am using this little PWM module. This generates a train of rectangular pulses of a certain frequency and duty cycle. As you can see here, the frequency is 49 Hz and the duty cycle 34%. You can change the frequency or the duty cycle. If you want to know more about this module, there is a link to a video where I make a review of it in the description of this video. Since I am using an LED of 20 watts, which draws around 800 milliamps, we cannot use directly the output of the module, because this gives a maximum of 30 milliamps. So we need a power MOSFET in order to use a more powerful voltage source. It is very easy. I am using an IRF C44 MOSFET. This is gate, drive and source. We connect the gate to the positive output of the module via a 10 ohm resistor. The negative output goes to the source of the MOSFET, and here we will connect the LED. I will show you now the connection diagram. Here is the very simple circuit. The power supply at 30 volts, which is the voltage that the LED needs, provides the current for the LED. This is the circuit. And the MOSFET acts as a switch. It connects and disconnects the LED according to the signal from the PWM module. I am using an IRF C44 MOSFET, but you can use any N-channel power MOSFET. Here we have the circuit working. We have a 1 Hz frequency, that is, the LED turns on and off once a second, and the duty cycle is 50%, which means that the LED is on 50% of the time and off the other 50%. If we change the duty cycle, for example, to 90%, then the LED is on most of the time, 90% of the time. And if we go the other way, let's put 3%, the LED is only on 3% of the time. And of course, we can also vary the frequency. This is 5 Hz and the LED goes faster. I have mounted the LED on this base so that the light goes down and shine on a rotating object to see the effect. In this case, this little electric motor with this green piece of plastic to see the rotation. So let's turn on the strobe and change the frequency. Okay, I'm going to turn on the strobe, and now the motor. The frequency is now 28 Hz, and let's increase the frequency and try to stop the movement. There it is. Around 29 Hz. Let's increase the frequency even more. This happens when the frequency is a multiple of the frequency of rotation of the motor. We are now at 37 Hz, 38 Hz. So we can continue increasing the frequency. .44 Hz. .56 Hz, and so on. It is an interesting effect of the stroboscopic light. .77 Hz. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for coming to my channel, and see you in the next one.